Do, 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 do. What in the flying fuck? God damn it. Not again. Alright, well, let's go fucking take a look at this thing. Oh, that looks all normal. Let's look under here. Oh, well, there's the problem right there. Merry fucking Shipmas and a shitbox New Year. So today we got a fucking real treat for you guys. This is literally the definition of a complete toilet. It's an 01 S10, 4.3, V6, two-wheel drive, not meant for New York State. You might go to yourself, hey Wes, the fucking body ain't that bad on this thing. What the fuck you talking about, bud? And I mean, really it isn't. Unfortunately, that's about really the only rust hole. Fucking rockers are starting to go too, but I mean, overall, it really doesn't look like a bad truck, right? Well, let's just have a gander down here. Other than the big gaping hole in the oil pan, we got the cross members routed out on this side, which you're like, oh yeah, you know, you could just replace that. Yeah, you know, usually you would. Floor's routed right out here. Here's the rad support mounts. Yeah. Brakes are in great shape. I'm sure the front end is more fucking played to it. Got a bad cross member, okay, that's no problem. Sure, whatever. You know, you got some fucking bad body mounts, okay. Well, then the fucking frame's routed right out here. Above that right there. Yeah, okay, whatever. So that can be fixed. But, you know, you don't need bed mounts either. Then you look at the backside of the cross member. She's routed too, showing that fucking black tooth grin. You keep looking around this shit box. It's literally one of those things. You keep looking at it, and the worse it looks. Oh yeah, you don't need that fluid. You don't need to worry about the drums that are leaking. You know, wheel cylinders, you don't need those. Or axle seals, either or. All the above, none of the above, fuck you. I mean, it's just meant, fellas. The exhaust pipe that's ready to blow the fuck out. Something happened, and hole in the oil pan. I wasn't involved again, but stuff happens, unfortunately, when you're wrenching cars. So, just trying to help a fella out, and, you know, I like these S10s and shit, but I'm in New York. I mean, New York fucking state, not the fucking city. Here I am in New York State, where we get a bunch of fucking snow. Normally I play with four-wheel drive versions of these, not two-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive, you drop the front diff down. There's no cross member there. And you do the oil pan, and it's also shaped differently. Well, two-wheel drives, you gotta pull the fucking motor off the trans and do it. And this truck really just wasn't worth that. I mean, literally, the more you look at it, the worse it gets. That's the power steering pump. Here's CP transmission fluid lines. Front main seal's puking like no tomorrow. I mean, it's a Chevy, that's what they do. Yeah, the exhaust again that's ready to blow out. Not to mention there's 3 codes on for, and the truck just won't pass inspection anymore. So what do you do when you get said truck from someone? Well, you fix that the most half-ass fucking way possible and go fucking burn out till something stops moving. No. No. Oh, no fucking way. This is how we're gonna do it today, boys. Fucking butyl, which is used for waterproofing connectors, essentially just really sticky rubber, and some fucking duct tape. Yeah, this is gonna end well, isn't it? You may fucking say to yourself, yeah, that's the right tool for the job. Well, fuck you. I'm not doing that today. I could repair it 100,000 fucking miles with no oil leaks other than it being a Chevy and just leaking everywhere. But no, I mean, well, what the fuck's the fun in that? Why would you fix it the right fucking way? AVE has always said, another fucking minty guy on YouTube, there's never enough time to do it right the first time. But there's always more than enough time to do it right the second time. So in the quest of doing this right, you're going to want, of course, your duct tape. You're going to want your butyl. You're going to want your fucking wire brush. It's full of shit. And then you're going to want the most half-assed can of brake clean ever invented. And it's older than shit, too. We shall see. Alright, fuckers, this is what you're going to want to do. You're just going to want to fucking hose this right down. Get it all over your phone or every place else. And just scrub on it a little bit, you know? Get all that dirt and stuff in the oil pan, because, you know, it doesn't fucking matter. Oh, yeah. Get right on in there. Yeah, you smash that sump. Smashing pisters with the sump. Yeah, you're gonna want some more of this. You know, wash all that away. Get right up in there, you know. You're gonna want brake clean in the oil. You're gonna want to make sure to get it right in your fucking eyeballs, all your cuts on your hands and everything. It makes you feel alive. Hose her down one last time here. Oh yeah, fucking brand used. Something Peg would say. Fucking guy's awesome. Definitely one of my Canadian fucking heroes. Great White fucking North. Goddamn Canucks. Oh yeah. Now you're gonna want to make sure you light it on fire. Yeah, finger that hole. That's a lot of brake clean up in there. It'll flush out. Do those, you know, it's the same idea as putting a bunch of kerosene in your case and, you know, not driving it, except we're gonna drive it. That makes sense. So now you're gonna want to take your magical fucking rubber butyl here. Get the fuck off there. And just go plop. No. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to half-ass it that bad. What you're going to want to do is you take the piece of the oil pan with it. You're going to want to fucking clean that guy off too. Fucking clean one owner, bud. Only driven to church on Sundays. Now, remember, fellas, if you want to do something completely wrong, you fucking go out and do it wrong. It's fucking in between, you know. You want to fix it the right way, but you don't want to fix it the right way. Wow. I can't even fucking figure out how this went in here. It's come off of here? I just don't know. It was inside the oil pan, you would think. Yeah, sure. Yep. Okay, just ease it up in there. So what I'm doing here is I'm trying to fill this whole fucking square cavity here full of butyl. Oh, it's stuck to my foot. Yeah, make sure you overlap it a little bit here, you know, seal it. Believe it or not, there's a science behind this. I'm inventing it as we go. You got a hole there. Not looking too bad though. Oh, found a weak spot. You don't want to stick there. Just fucking open, you fuck. Yeah, just get her on in there. When you got more than enough of this fucking stuff, you just put it on. Oh, and did I tell you this stuff, you know, gets all melty and rubber, you know, just flows the hotter it gets? Yeah, this is going to be great on an oil pan, obviously. Fucking duh. Rocket appliances or some shit. Sticks to me better than it does the fucking oil pan. Who would thunk it? It's not like this was a good idea or anything. This is a fucking great idea. Yeah. Right about there. Yeah, that looks good. Huh. It's almost like I should have cleaned more of the pan. That'd take more fucking time. This is fucking NASCAR here, boys. Gotta get her done. Right back to itself. See? That's how you do it. Alright, now that's falling off there. Before it falls off completely, you're going to want to give it a nice liberal coating of fucking duct tape here. Now you're just going to want to go on the oil filter with it, which I already cleaned because I already had it off. So it's fine. And then you're just going to want to, you know. See, the tape sticks really good to the butyl. So you know you're doing it right. You don't want to get in all these nooks and crannies here. That's where leaks are going to happen. Where's my good tape? I want to wrap some around the exhaust pipe here, you know, a nice supporting member. Bring the right up on this hook here. If you don't see what I'm talking about, that's what I'm saying. Look at that nice fucking hook right there. It's like it's meant for securing stuff. Just, whoop. Oh yeah, that's fucking solid. Making progress here, boys. Need another victory lap or two. Yeah, just gotta make sure it doesn't fall off. Oh yeah. Can't forget about the training lights here. Those are load bearing. Yeah. Oh yeah. She's fucking up there, bud. Yeah. Fuck clean one owner. I mean, I'll just take you in for some of this artwork. There's the hook. Very load bearing. About 90% of the strength of this truck right now. And you bring it on back here. You got the other load bearing structure. The Y pipe. And then, you know, you got the crisscross action going on, you know. It's like weaving. It's the same idea. But yeah, that'll, you know, leak for, or not leak for, you know, 0.2 seconds anyways. Time to add some of the most highest quality motor oil known to man. No. It's fucking dark out, fellas. I wanted to do this whole video in one take today. But unfortunately, it did not happen. Instead, I'm giving you part one today. More or less just, you know, I don't even fucking know if I'm going to make it tomorrow. The plan is to drive about 2 to 3 miles down the road to my buddy's house and do some destruction on it. But it's going to be a challenge just because I live in a city. There's a traffic light as soon as I pull out of my driveway, essentially. And the fucking thing doesn't like me. Needless to say, it's always turning red as soon as I get to it, no matter which fucking direction I'm coming from. So that's going to be the crazy part about tomorrow. If it doesn't blow out there, I think I will fucking make it the rest of the way. But if not, we got backup means. But yeah, stay tuned for part two. And remember, don't put your hands any place you won't put your dick.